What makes OptiCore bulbs the best Christmas light bulbs? The answer may surprise you. OptiCore bulbs are made of polycarbonate, the same material used in bulletproof glass. This makes OptiCore bulbs virtually indestructible. Is that what makes them the best Christmas light bulbs? Partly. OptiCore bulbs also feature a surface-mounted diode, or SMD, a really stable light source that won't break the way filament bulbs can. Is that what makes them the best Christmas light bulbs? Partly. OptiCore bulbs also feature nickel-plated bases. As we all know, water can seep into the tiny space between the bulb base and the socket, but nickel is highly corrosion resistant. Nickel bases mean your lights won't corrode when they sit out in the rain or snow, which means they last longer. Is that what makes them the best Christmas light bulbs? Partly. OptiCore bulbs are also dimmable. That's a big deal because one of the biggest myths in Christmas lights is that brighter is always better. If that were true, you'd go down to the nearest high school stadium just to stare up at the lights. And then to your local eye doctor. In fact, the optimal brightness for your Christmas lights depends a lot on you, your neighborhood, and the effect you want to create. Dimmability lets you control the brightness so you get the Christmas lights that are just right for you. So that must be what makes them the best Christmas light bulbs, right? The polycarbonate in OptiCore bulbs is also really thick, twice as thick as ordinary bulbs. That makes them extra indestructible. OptiCores are also energy-efficient LED. So is that what really makes OptiCore the best Christmas light bulbs is the way the light from the SMD diode passes upward through the core of the bulb, then diffuses as it passes through that thick polycarbonate lens. This saturates the lens more uniformly than other bulbs, creating richer, more vivid color and even lighting from base to tip without the hot spots of other bulbs. The result is Christmas lights that look more like classic incandescent bulbs than any other LED bulbs around. Amazing color and just the right level of brightness. So now you know what makes OptiCore the best Christmas light bulbs. Oh, and they make great porch and patio light bulbs in the summer too. OptiCore from Wintergreen Lighting. Often imitated, never duplicated. Click on the link in the description if you'd like to learn more. If you like this video, please hit the like button. And if you haven't subscribed to us yet on YouTube, please hit that subscribe button as well. Then go and enjoy those OptiCore Christmas lights, and I'll see you next time.